Are you tired of not seeing results on YouTube? Welcome to Money Talks, where money does the talking. Imagine this, you wake up, check your phone, and bam, YouTube just deposited cash into your account. That could be you in just 30 days. I'm serious. We're talking about proven strategies to monetize your channel faster than you ever thought possible. So buckle up and get ready to take some notes, because we're diving into the world of YouTube monetization, Mr. Beast style. Most people never monetize because they're doing it wrong. They pick random topics, they post inconsistently, they don't understand YouTube's algorithm. Think about it. How many channels have you seen upload a few videos and then quit? Probably a lot. So, let me ask you, are you going to be like them, or are you ready to do what actually works? Let's dive into step 1. Listen, I get it. Starting a YouTube channel can be tough. You put in all this effort and it feels like nobody's watching. But here's the thing, failure is part of the journey. Even I had to upload hundreds of videos before I found my groove. The key is to learn from your mistakes and keep pushing forward. Don't give up before you even really start. You gotta be willing to put in the work, stay consistent, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams of YouTube stardom. So, are you ready to stop dreaming about YouTube success and start actually achieving it? Are you ready to learn the secrets that most YouTubers will never tell you? This is your chance to change your life, build a real audience, and create a business doing what you love. Let's do this thing. YouTube isn't just about making videos, it's about making the right videos, and that starts with your niche. Pick the wrong niche, and you'll struggle forever. Pick the right niche, and YouTube will do the work for you. So what niches make the most money? Let's dive into some of the hottest, most profitable niches on YouTube right now. First up, we've got finance. Ad rates in the finance niche are sky high. People are always looking to make more money, and they're willing to pay for it. Next, we have tech and reviews. Tech companies spend billions on marketing. Tap into that by creating awesome reviews and tutorials. Health and fitness is another huge niche. Everyone wants to improve their lives, right? Help them achieve their goals and YouTube will reward you. And last but not least, we have online business. This is where things get really interesting. People will pay to learn how to make money online. Now here's the key. Choose a niche that makes money and that you enjoy, because consistency is key. If you hate what you're talking about, it's gonna show in your videos. But if you're passionate about your niche, it won't even feel like work. So, what are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? Find that intersection of passion and profit, and you're on your way to YouTube domination. Alright, you guys wanna know the secret sauce to blowing up on YouTube? It's not some magic trick, it's YouTube Shorts. Seriously, shorts are like the fast track to YouTube stardom right now. I'm talking millions of views overnight, for real. YouTube is pushing them like crazy, and you gotta take advantage of that. Think of it like this. Remember those times we gave away thousands of dollars in challenges? People went wild. Shorts are kinda like that. They grab attention fast. And with YouTube's algorithm, that means more people see your content, and it snowballs from there. You're basically giving people a taste of what your channel is all about in a short, bite-sized package. It's like a free sample at the grocery store, but instead of a tiny cup of yogurt, it's a shot of pure entertainment that leaves them wanting more. And trust me, when people like what they see, they hit that subscribe button faster than you can say I'm in. So, how do you actually make shorts that blow up? I'm talking about the kind of content that spreads like wildfire and gets people hooked on your channel. Well, listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. First up, you gotta be consistent. This ain't your grandma's knitting club. We're playing in the big leagues now. Posting one short a week won't cut it. You gotta pump out those videos like your channel's life depends on it. Aim for at least 3 to 5 shorts every single day. Yeah, you heard me right, every single day. Now I know what you're thinking, that's a lot of videos, and you're right, it is. But here's the thing, the more you post, the higher your chances of going viral. It's like playing the lottery. The more tickets you buy, the better your odds of winning. And trust me, going viral on YouTube is way better than winning the lottery, because it means fame, fortune, and a whole lot of subscribers. Second, you gotta use trending sounds and hashtags. Think of it like hopping on a moving train. If you try to catch it while it's standing still, you're golden. But if you wait until it's going full speed, good luck. Same thing with YouTube. Jump on those trends early, and you're riding the wave to the top. Miss the wave, and you're stuck paddling in the shallows. Now for the final ingredient in our secret sauce, you gotta hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Yeah, you heard me right, 3 seconds. That's how long you have to grab someone's attention before they swipe away to the next video. Think about it. People's attention spans are shorter than ever these days. You gotta hit them with the good stuff right away or they're gone. Start with a bang. Whether it's a hilarious joke, a mind-blowing fact, or an epic fail, make those first few seconds count. Remember, we're not trying to write a novel here, we're crafting a masterpiece in under a minute. Keep it snappy, keep it engaging, and most importantly, keep it entertaining. Now here's the crazy part. Subscribers you get from shorts actually count towards monetization. Yeah, you heard me right. So if you're putting out fire content, you can hit that 1,000 subscriber milestone in no time. But hold your horses, because subs are only half the battle. You also need those sweet, sweet watch hours. Think of it like this. Subscribers are like your loyal fans who show up to every game, but watch time is like selling out the stadium. It shows YouTube that people actually enjoy your content enough to stick around. And the more watch time you have, the more YouTube promotes your videos. It's a win-win situation. But how do you create videos that keep people glued to their screens? Videos so captivating, so mind-blowingly awesome that they forget they even have other things to do. Well, that's where long-form content comes in. And let me tell you, that's where the real magic happens. Alright guys, we've talked about shorts and how they're like the appetizers of the YouTube world. They're quick, they're tasty, and they get you hungry for more. But when it comes to the main course, the big kahuna, the content that'll have you swimming in views and subscribers, that's where long-form videos come in. Think about your favorite YouTubers, the ones with millions of subscribers and sponsors lining up to throw money at them. Do they just post shorts? Nope. They've got those long, epic videos that keep you glued to your screen for hours. Why? Because they know that's where the real money is. Long-form content is where you build a real connection with your audience. It's where you can dive deep into topics, tell captivating stories, and really show off your personality. And trust me, when people feel like they know you, they're more likely to subscribe, watch more of your videos, and tell their friends about you. So how do you create long-form videos that are so binge-worthy, so addictive, that people would rather watch them than eat pizza? Okay, maybe not that good, but you get the idea. Well, listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you. First things first, you gotta start with a strong hook. Remember what I said about grabbing attention in the first 3 seconds of a short? Well, for long-form videos, you've got a little more breathing room, but not much. You've got about 10 seconds to convince someone that your video is worth their precious time. Think of it like this. You're a fisherman casting a line into a lake full of fish, your viewers. Your hook is your video's intro. If it's boring or irrelevant, the fish will swim right past it. But if it's exciting, intriguing, and promises something valuable, they'll bite. So how do you create a killer hook? Start with a bang. Jump right into the action, ask a thought-provoking question, or tease something exciting that's coming up in the video. Whatever you do, make sure it's relevant to your target audience and makes them want to stick around to see what happens next. Next up, tell a story. Humans are hardwired to be drawn to stories. It's how we make sense of the world, connect with others, and get emotionally invested in something. So when you're creating a long-form video, think of yourself as a storyteller. What journey are you taking your viewers on? What obstacles will you face? And what will the ultimate resolution be? You guys know I love making money, right? And guess what? You don't even need 1,000 subscribers to start cashing in on YouTube. That's right, you can literally be making money from day one with affiliate marketing. It's how a lot of creators get started. Basically, you recommend awesome products to your viewers, and when they buy using your unique link, bam, you get a cut of the sale. It's like having your own online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. And the best part? There are tons of affiliate programs out there for basically every niche imaginable. From tech gadgets to makeup to online courses, there's something for everyone. So find products you genuinely love and share them with your audience. It's a win-win. Ever see your favorite YouTubers rocking merch or talking about a brand in their videos? That, my friends, is the power of sponsorships. And the crazy thing is, you don't need millions of subscribers to get started. Brands are always on the lookout for creators with engaged audiences, no matter how big or small. So even if you're just starting out, don't be afraid to reach out to companies in your niche and pitch yourself. Remember, confidence is key. Show them why your channel is a perfect fit for their brand and how you can deliver value to their audience. You might be surprised at how many brands are willing to work with up-and-coming creators like you. Alright guys, want to hear about a way to make money while you sleep? It's called passive income, and digital products are where it's at. Imagine creating something once, like an ebook, a course, or even cool templates, and selling it over and over again without any extra work. That's the beauty of digital products. And the even better news? YouTube is the perfect platform to promote them. Showcase your expertise in your videos. Give your audience a taste of the value you provide, and then direct them to your website or sales page to learn more. Trust me, if you create something truly valuable that solves a problem for your audience, they'll be lining up to buy it. It's a fantastic way to diversify your income and turn your passion into a full-blown business. Alright, legends. We've covered a ton of ground, and I know you're probably thinking, this is a lot of information. But trust me, it's all about taking action and staying consistent. Remember, you don't have to do everything perfectly from day one. Just start. Let's quickly recap the winning formula to monetize your YouTube channel in just 30 days. Are you ready? First up, we talked about picking a profitable niche. This is huge. You want to make sure you're creating content that people are actually searching for and that advertisers are willing to pay for. Next, we unlocked the power of YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized videos are like rocket ships to subscriber growth. Remember to post consistently, use trending sounds and hashtags, and hook viewers in the first few seconds. Section 2. Level up your content game. But hold on, we're not stopping there. We also dove deep into the world of binge-worthy long-form content. These are the videos that keep viewers glued to their screens for hours on end, boosting your watch time and sending those YouTube recommendations through the roof. Remember to craft a strong hook that grabs attention right from the start, tell captivating stories that keep your audience engaged, and use pattern interrupts like fast cuts and sound effects to add that extra layer of excitement. And speaking of keeping things interesting, don't forget about optimizing your videos for search and engagement. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help people find your content. And most importantly, engage with your viewers in the comments section. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, monetization. We talked about how you can start making money even before you hit that magical 1,000 subscriber mark with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. Remember guys, multiple income streams equal more money. Don't be afraid to get creative and explore different ways to monetize your channel. You are a brand, and your content is valuable. And most importantly, have fun. YouTube is an incredible platform that allows you to share your passions with the world. So find your niche, create amazing content, and watch your channel grow. The sky's the limit. Wow! You guys made it to the end. I'm seriously impressed. You're already ahead of 99% of people who just dream about YouTube success. But you're actually taking action. If you found this helpful, do me a massive favor and smash that like button. It helps me out more than you know. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos about making money online. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest YouTube goal? Drop a comment below and let me know. Let's support each other, share ideas, and build incredible businesses together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. See you in the next one.